how to fix iPhone camera and flashlight not working. So if you want to fix your iPhone camera and flashlight not working, then the first thing you can do is you can open up your settings. Under settings, if you have any software updates, you need to go with your software update. And if it is turn on, then you will have some updates. So you just need to simply go and tap on install now or install tonight and go and install your updates. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to open up your settings again, scroll all the way down, go with general, and then scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset again. And from here, go with reset network settings. Again, enter your passcode, and once your network settings has been reset, you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. In this way, you'll be able to fix your iPhone camera and flashlight not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.